if you are looking for an awesome pair of headphones that go over your ear, sound really good, are super comfortable, will not fall off, you're absolutely going to love these. So this is the Y01 noise canceling wireless headphones. So over here, you got the native sound quality, multifunction control. You got a long battery life. It has a smart chip, and they are wireless, which I like. A lot of these bigger ones have wires. These do not. You have adjustable headband. You can control the buttons wirelessly, rechargeable battery, and the microphone. And then you have the headphone port as well. So this is going to come with this cable over here as well as this, which will charge the device. So this is what they look like. So to power this on, you're going to just hit right over here. That will get these powered on for you. Really easy to connect to Bluetooth. Super simple, which is nice. Over here, we got the volume up, volume down. And over here, you'll see you have the headphone jack. And this is where you're going to charge them. These fold up really nicely as well. So if you want to fold them and take them somewhere, you could do that. Again, they do talk about them being adjustable as well. So you could adjust them out like that if you wanted to. So it really covers pretty much any shape or size that you would need. So if you're looking for a great set of over-ear headphones that are super easy to use, super comfortable, easy to set up, definitely check these out. And a huge thanks to the brand for sending this over so you can distribute it.